Hi, my name is Julie, and I've loved art and craft for as long as I could hold scissors. But I was told that my chance of survival as an artist was paper thin, so I decided to create art that is paper thin. I had one goal: capture that nostalgic feeling of folding origami with family and turn that into wearable art that is both distinctive and elegant. My greatest joy is hearing how many compliments people receive when they wear our jewelry, or how they resonate with what it means to fold cranes. We pride ourselves on the care we put into every piece. We handpick high-quality washi paper from Japan, seal them to be durable and water-resistant, and craft designs that allow the origami to shine through. Whether it's for your best friend's wedding or a casual trip to the grocery store, our jewelry is built and designed to inspire creativity and delight for any occasion. Come celebrate the beauty of paper art at Kamyi.Art.